Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Got another case for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This case is made by Spigen. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, this is the Spigen Neo Hybrid design for the Galaxy S22 Ultra case. It's the black one. Some pictures right here, as you can see. Looks nice. Nice texture on the back, compatible with X22 Ultra. Now, Spigen makes good cases. We know that. They've been in the game for a while. Haven't reviewed one of their cases, at least this Neo case, in a while. So you get them in three colors. You get them in black, burgundy, and gunmetal. All right. Now, the case costs $60.99, and you can get it on Prime. All right. Now, I will put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the box it comes in. Pretty simple box. Spigen branding on there. Neo Hybrid right there. Samsung Galaxy, not much else on the branding there, but they have this easy pull tab. You just pull it to get this out, and plop the case. Now, Spigen, nothing else in the box there. You got a little card here inside, advertising some other items there. Let's put this to the side. Now, here's the case. You got a red pattern inside. And it's got nice TPU borders. Now it does have this little metal or aluminum type ridge on the side there that goes around this case. Nice detail there. The camera, it's a slim profile, but it's going to be protected. We'll see how it looks, but it looks, I think it's a little bit taller than the camera, but it's nicely finished in there. Next texture on the back is still a little bit smooth, but it's got some texture on the back. You can see that. And the sides are going to be smooth because you got the smooth band going around there. This like metallic band. And this is a mic opening right there, your power button, and your 5-ohm down rocker. You got your opening for your charging port, your speaker, and your S Pen. All that's open up pretty wide, so you're good. You got your Spigen branding right there. Nothing else on this side. All right. Now, let's get the device and put it inside and see how it fits and how it looks, all right? Okay, we got the S22 Ultra right here. Let's go ahead and put this inside. Now, we should be able to get this on without removing that band. So it slides on there. It's going to be tight. So it's a nice, snug fit. Now, this does provide protection on the side, so it is a little bit wider on the device, if you can see that. It does make the device a little bit wider, not too much though, not too much. And you got a little lip right here that's well integrated, but it's going to be able to protect the screen when you set it down on a flat surface, all right? And it comes up over the side there, fairly decent, but you still might be able to get a screen protector on that. And on the bottom, everything lines up. You got your mic opening right there, and your power opening right there, speaker, and your S Pen. No problem getting to that. Plenty of room there. Okay, and then you got your nothing else on this side for the branding, and you got your mic open right there. You can see that all lines up. Now the camera, as you can see, so it is recessed, and you're going to have some protection there. So they did a good job with that. Nicely done. All right, no problem. The camera is recessed, but it looks good. Okay, and that's the back texture right there. So while this does add a little bit of width, it's not too bad. But it feels good. It's got a slim profile, you know, in terms of thickness, and it's nice. Feels good in the hand, nice and round sides there. But it does add a little bit of width to the device. Not a whole lot, but a little bit of width. Okay. But that's what that looks like. Now we're going to go ahead and check out wireless charge and see how that works with this case. Okay. Okay. Here's the wireless charger. Let's put it on. So pick that wireless charge, no problem. Let's put it standing up, see what happens. So pick that wireless charge there as well. Let's go ahead and lay it down and see what happens when you do that. So pick that wireless charge, lay it on the side. Okay, so wireless charging works pretty well with this case. Okay. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Spigen Neo Hybrid case for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. I think it's a good case. It fits nice, it looks nice, and it feels good in the hand. Adds a little bit of width to the phone, but not a whole lot. Slim profile in terms of thickness, okay? But well-built case, and it's going to give you good protection. All right, Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.